This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you had a great week this past week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for gold, and as usual, I'll start off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame or the hourly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that last week price broke through this support level that was here, and if you remember what I always say about price breaking through support level, that anytime a support level holds for a while, usually a very strong candle is what breaks that support level. And we can see that this area was holding for quite some time. You can see the number of rejections over here, the number of rejections over here as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See another rejection here again, 7 and 8. So multiple rejections of that support area around the 1788 area. Last week I thought price was going to bounce off that area and continue to the top, maybe to get up to the 1870 area. But like I also mentioned, that there's that possibility that price could come down and break it, and then we would capitalize on that move. And that's exactly what happened. As you can see, the very strong break of this support area, and now price has gotten all the way down to the 1740 area, which is also another strong support level, as we can see price rejecting of that area as well. And that is where we'll be looking to capitalize on this coming week. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that price currently is forming doji candles on the daily time frame on that support area. So again, that is a very strong indication that there is a big move that is about to develop. Okay, so now this move can either be a bounce to the upside back to this previous support area, now resistance around the 1788 area. So we can see price bouncing towards this, back towards this area, or you can see price breaking through this support area again all the way down to the next resistance around the 1680 level. So those are the two possible moves that we would be expecting this coming week. Okay, so again, we have to be very, very, very careful when trading this, and make sure that we not get faked out, and that we are very, very patient in the market. Okay, so like I said, currently support area around the 1740 area. Price forming this doji candle, which means there is an indecision. Price is not sure if it wants to break through to the top, back to the top to retrace, or if it wants to break that support area to the bottom. So having this in mind, we go down to the 4-hour time frame just to see how we can capitalize on that move. So now we go to the 4-hour time frame. We can see that price has been ranging as well. You can see I've drawn this sort of triangular pattern just to view the range very easily for us. Now the idea would be that if price ends up breaking above this range and closing on the 4-hour time frame, we would be expecting price continuation to the top. So if price comes above this area, the 4-hour candle breaks, it may come back to retest it again, so you need to watch out for that as well. And if it does, then it may give us a bullish signal, and then we can take our trades, looking to exit around the 1788 area, or when price enters into this zone. Don't forget there is a minor resistance area here as well that price could get to and then fall. So we need to make sure that when price gets towards the 1770 area, that we take our a partial profit, and then move our stop to break even, and then see if price gets all the way to this resistance area. So this is one possibility that we will be looking at in this upcoming week. Okay, so normally when I trade this sort of move, you know, I normally become very conservative and very careful because of the way gold moves. I would normally put my stop just below this previous low here, because this is the lowest limit. I'll put my stop just below that. Okay, and my take profit will just be in there. So more or less almost a 2:1 risk to reward ratio, which is what I'm looking at. Some people may end up putting their stop loss just around this area here, halfway between this range, or just a little bit below halfway of this range, so which will give you a very good risk to reward ratio. So you can do that as well. And the only time you can do this comfortably is when you are sure that price has gotten back down, giving us a lovely bullish signal, maybe a pin bar or an engulfing candle. When price comes back to retest this area, then you'll be able to put your stop loss below either the low of that pin bar or the low of the engulfing candle, and then you can trade it having this lovely risk to reward ratio. So this is one thing that we're looking at in the coming week. Another possibility, again, I said, is price coming all the way down to break this the low of this range, coming back up to retest. Maybe may even enter into this area again to retest this support, now resistance area, and then continue to the bottom. So if this happens, when price comes to retest and gives us a bearish signal, then we should be looking to take our sell trade from there, and then we'll be targeting the final profit around the 1680 area, like I mentioned earlier. And the first trade that we'll be looking at, if price goes to the top, we're looking at about 350 380 pips. For this move to the downside, we should be aiming for, say, about 500 pips on that move. So the bottom move will be a very good move to capitalize on this week, but you just need to be very careful and ensure proper risk management. Okay, and just make sure you don't risk all your capital as well on the trade, because anything can happen. So these are the two possibilities, and the stronger option, I would say, for now, possibly, is price moving to the downside. And my reason for that really is the fact that we've been in a very strong downtrend. Yes, we are in this very strong support area, but I think a stronger support area is the 1680 area. And if we go down to the weekly time frame, we can see that area hasn't been broken for more than 2 years. So that area for me is very, very key and very, very strong as well. So because of this very strong bearish move, there are still a lot of sellers in the market. Price is stalling a bit for now, but I believe that sellers will push and continue to take price to the downside. So we have to watch out for that. Okay, and you can also trade this move as well, I said, on the daily time frame. So daily time frame, we can see the range clearly, and what we'll be looking at again, like I mentioned, is a break just above this area, and then we'll see if price comes down to retest that level. Price doesn't always come down to retest, so what I usually do is to take when price breaks the level and closes above it, I usually would put in a very small position when price closes, put my stop loss just below here. And then when price comes back to retest this area, if price gives me another bullish reversal, then I take more buy trades there and enter more positions. So that's what I normally do. That's personally. But if you're not comfortable with that, you can always wait for the retest before taking your trade. And this goes both ways as well. So this basically has been my analysis for gold. We are currently ranging at a support area, and we're waiting to see if price would break above that range or break below that range, and then would capitalize the move thereof. So this I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget